In this video, I'll detail how to enable or turn on shared albums on iPhone. So if you want to share your iPhone album with some selected group of people and then access it from the device, or you want to join others to share their albums with you and then access on your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through. So if you download this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to enable or turn on shared album on iPhone, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, you want to click on your profile name, which is the Apple account. Click on that. Then once you selected that, wait for the page to load and then click on iCloud. Now on selecting iCloud, then you need to scroll down until you get to saving a spot if you're using iOS 18. Otherwise, click on backup now if you're using iOS 17 or earlier. Then once you selected that, scroll down and locate iCloud Photos. Click on that. Then you should see shared album. Then to enable shared album, you just need to turn this on. Once turned on, this will allow you to create albums to share with other people and subscribe to other people's shared album on your iPhone. And once that is turned on, and then go back to the Photos app on your iPhone and create a shared album you want to share with your friends and family to have access to from their device. So this is exactly how you can easily turn on or enable shared albums on iPhone. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.